people the Lord has chosen as His heritage.
Blessed the people the Lord has chosen as His heritage.
Ring out your joy to the Lord, O you just, for praise is fitting for the upright. Blessed the nation whose God is the Lord, the people He has chosen as His heritage.
Blessed the people the Lord has chosen as His heritage.
Yes, the Lord's eyes are on those who fear Him, who hope in His merciful love, to rescue their souls from death, to keep them alive in famine.
Blessed the people the Lord has chosen as His heritage.
Our soul is waiting for the Lord. He's our help and our shield. May your merciful love be upon us as we hope in you